After a year that didn't promise us much, where most of our time was spent indoors, this trip to a hidden waterfall in Valpoi would be my last adventure for the year 2020. I was worried about the nearly 2-hour trek to reach the waterfall, but little did I know that nature had placed something magnificent at the end of it that just made me pause for a while and feel alive again. So as you can see, it's currently 6:37 and we are now officially leaving for the trek. After walking nearly 1 hour 45 minutes through the jungle, we found what we were looking for. The sound of the waterfall was nothing less than music to the ears. there goes my last video for the year 2020. If you like my content and want to show your support, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Also check out my recent videos and also follow me on my other social media accounts, and a like and comment on this video would be much appreciated. So I hope you have a great and prosperous new year.